Hello, beautiful minds. Welcome, friends. This is Melodies Mindcast, a Melodies Network production where neuroscience, soul, and success meet on your terms. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that has been misunderstood, misused, and sometimes even dismissed: manifestation. Oh, yes, you've heard the buzzwords: law of attraction, speak it into existence, visualize your dream life. But let's strip away the hype for a moment, because manifestation isn't magic. No, friends, it is neuroscience. And when you understand how your brain actually works, you can make it more resilient, especially when life feels like it's spinning out of control. All right, so let's talk about the science behind manifestation. Let's start with the brain. Every thought you think, every image you hold wires neurons together. That's neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself. When you focus on something, say building a thriving business, attracting supportive relationships, or creating financial abundance, your brain's reticular activating system acts like a filter. It tunes your awareness, scanning your environment for patterns, opportunities, and connections that align with what you've been rehearsing in your beautiful mind. Manifestation isn't just wishing, friends. It's training your brain to notice and act. Think of it like this. Your mind is like Google. Whatever you type into the search bar: success, love, debt, fear, that's the result you will get. Manifestation is about typing in the right query over and over until your brain optimizes for it. But what about when everything feels out of control? When your bank account is low, your relationships are rocky, or the world just feels plain chaotic. Oh, this is where manifestation shifts from wishful thinking to mental resilience. And resilience doesn't mean ignoring pain, no, friends, or pretending everything is fine. It means your brain has trained for newer pathways for recovery, perspective, and creativity. So, even in chaos, you see possibility instead of collapse. Neuroscience shows us that resilient minds have three things in common: cognitive flexibility, the ability to reframe challenges; optimism bias, not blind optimism, but the habit of expecting that solutions exist; and my favorite, self-regulation, calming the nervous system so you don't spiral into fear. When you combine these with manifestation, you're not just creating vision boards like this. You're rewiring your brain to bend, not break. So let's get practical. Here's a 3-step daily manifestation ritual rooted in neuroscience: morning mental rehearsal. All right, friends, close your eyes for a few minutes. Imagine your day unfolding the way you want. See the emails answered, the workout completed, the money flowing in. Oh, yes. Your brain doesn't know the difference between rehearsal and reality. It will fire the same neural pathways. Micro moments of gratitude instead of a long gratitude. Sprinkle tiny moments through the day. Each time you notice something good, beautiful, you release dopamine, reinforcing your brain's optimism circuit. Even evening reset before bed, like visualizing tomorrow. Imagine yourself handling challenges calmly and celebrating the wins, big or small. This primes your subconscious overnight. These micro habits compound. They don't just create manifestations, they create resilience. Now, let's bust a myth. All right, manifestation is not about bypassing reality, friends. It's not sitting on the couch and chanting abundance and waiting for a check to fall from the sky. No, it's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, actions so your brain, body, and energy are moving in the same direction. The universe doesn't hand you what you want. It hands you opportunities, and it's your brain's wiring that determines whether you see them, trust them, and act on them. So let's do a mini visualizer together. I just love these. If you're able, close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and let it out slowly. Now, imagine you're standing in the middle of a storm. Chaos, noise, unpredictability swirling around you. But instead of shrinking, you feel a calm light glowing from your chest. This light grows stronger with every breath. It reminds you, I am not the storm. I am the calm center within it. Now, see your future self, healthy, abundant, thriving. See them smiling back at you, reaching a hand back, saying, I've got you. Keep going. That future self already exists. Your brain just needs rehearsal to bridge the gap. That's the secret. Beautiful minds, manifestation is not luck. It's leverage. It's neuroscience. It's resilience. It's training your brain to hold a vision in the middle of uncertainty. So this week, I want you to practice one thing. When the world feels out of control, pause and ask yourself, what story am I rehearsing right now? Then choose a better one, because your brain is listening to everything. All right, friends, thank you for tuning into Melodies Mindcast, Melodies Network production. If this episode resonated with you, share it with someone who needs a reminder that they are not powerless. They are powerful beyond measure. And remember, the most magnetic mind isn't the one that avoids the storm. It's the one that learns to shine through it. All right, until next time, beautiful minds, stay resilient, keep manifesting brilliance, and always be kind to your mind. And friends, if you haven't already done so, it would mean the world to me if you would connect with me on LinkedIn. My name is Melodie Wolter. And also subscribe here and click on the notification bell, because I have a lot coming up and I'm really excited to share with you. And I love doing pop-up lives. You just never know who I'm going to be interviewing and what I am doing, but I am doing this in real time for all of you to see. All right, friends, take care. Bye.